Dami naman, oh.
Look at the grapes.
Kapag sa walo naman po, ma'am, isa lang po yung libre na, ma'am.
Pag worth 1,000.
Hindi po, sa walo.
Tutoy, what do you think? You think it's gonna fall for you? Here's my brother waiting for the thing. Waiting for waiting for the Tutoy, this one. It's more bigger. Oo, pili ka ng hinog. Ang dami, oh. Look at that. You know what? It feels like it's cold under the grape. Can I pick one? Nagnenok. Ang ninang nyo. Oh my God. It's so sweet. Ay, kabayang malaki. Ayan siya, guys. So, yung mga gustong we take a little bit purple. Look at that. Ang dami.
Nasaan si Daddy?
Ayun. Can I pick one? Can I pick one, ate? I just try before I go picking.
Mommy, Daddy said it's seedless.
2 minutes na. Oh, ate. Okay.